Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to iron Georgette Saree. Lay the saree flat on a clean surface and smooth out wrinkles by hand. Keep the iron on low heat and test on a hidden corner. Place a thin cotton cloth over the saree to shield delicate fibers. Move the iron swiftly and avoid steam pools. Work in small sections from pallu to pleats and handle embellishments gently throughout the process. Start ironing from an inconspicuous edge and progress outward to prevent new creases. Keep the iron moving with soft, quick presses so threads do not stretch. Hold pleats in place with one hand while you press the fold edges gently. If steam is needed, use a short burst and lift immediately to avoid damp spots. Finish by hanging the saree on a padded hanger to let any residual wrinkles fall out naturally. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful videos. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep your snacks tidy while you work on saree care, so you won't worry about spills near your garments. They stack neatly and seal tight, perfect for on-the-go prepping between chores. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For crisp pleats, fold them carefully and clip them in place before you press. Iron pleats from the underside with a cloth between the iron and fabric to keep edges sharp. For embroidered or beaded areas, never press directly. Instead, smooth around them or use a handheld steamer at a safe distance. Take extra care with borders and pallu, ensuring embellishments remain intact while the fabric regains its shape and drape.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.